Hello, everyone over there at Ortiz Construction. Thanks for getting in touch with me. My name is Charles. I had sent you this message. Just realizing there's a couple of quick things you can do because I was looking at um, your Facebook page and your post on the DFW contractors group, and I did a little bit of research and I realized there's a lot of opportunity you're missing. So I thought I'd shoot you a short video, give you free tips. Feel free to use these tips, give them to someone to implement them for you. Or if you like what you see and guarantee to have more tricks up my sleeve, we can discuss further. Okay, so one of the first things I realized is I couldn't find a website of yours. I don't think you have a website for your construction company. The reason that's important, about 90% of adults use Google to look for local businesses like yours. So let's say there's someone's looking for a roofer in Texas. The first thing someone would do is go to Google and type in something like best roofer or best roofers near me, or because I know you're in Dallas, I would say best roofer in Dallas. And then you have the results. 90% of people will do this kind of search to look for local businesses. 70% will not leave this front page. And I'm going to show you the numbers. Actually, I use a tool called Ahrefs, which helps me look at it kind of measures how many people are searching for what kind of keywords. This phrase here, best roofer in Dallas, is known as a keyword. It's what someone types in to look at, types into Google to look for something. Now, you can see for this keyword, best roofers in Dallas, Texas. Again, I'm using a tool called Ahrefs. It's used to analyze websites. It gets a lot of information from Google. You can see that there are 400 people who search for this every month. These are the opportunities I was mentioning. Not only this, there are other keywords which are good, which I found. For example, top 10 best Dallas, Texas roofers. 350 people look for that every month. Roofing companies, Fort Worth, or rather, roofing companies in Fort Worth. 500 people look for that every month. Fort Worth Roofing Company, 500 people look for that. I'm just trying to show you that there's a lot of people looking for exactly what you do on Google. That's why it's important to have a website that's optimized and Google can recognize it. Now, what do I mean by an optimized website? Well, the three main things I want to talk about, and that's content, citations, and backlinks. So content is, and I'm going to use my website because I realize you don't have a website. So content is everything that's on your website, all the words, the text, the pictures, the words behind the pictures. And by words behind the pictures, I mean what the pictures are saved as. To optimize with Google, it helps to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative content, of text that's authoritative on your front page. And your other pages, your other service pages, for example, they should have about 1,750 to 1,000 words. Within that text, you should have keywords all throughout the text. Those keywords so that Google knows to put you in front of those searches. For example, on my website here, you can see, for example, within this text, you can see social media marketing Philadelphia. That's a keyword. Another keyword is Philadelphia SEO agency, and etc. The more keywords you have and the more relevant keywords you have, the more Google will pick you up and put you in front of these kind of searches. Second thing I want to talk about are citations. Citations has to do with this area of Google searches. Citations are anywhere on the internet in different directories where your name, address, and phone number are cited in on different directories online. For example, Better Business Bureau, Yext, DexKnows, whitepages.com, superpages.com, etc. The more directories you're in, your Google My Business profile is in, the higher you're going to rank here. So your Google My Business profile, the way your name, address, and phone number appear on your profile, make sure you're cited in very many different directories online. and you'll start to rank higher here. We also do what's known as GMB optimization, Google My Business optimization, where we go in and change, well, put in authoritative text, make sure keywords are appearing in your profile, in your Google My Business profile, your pictures are saved correctly. If you can, even geotag your pictures. Um, Therefore, Google will start to realize that you're relevant and put you in the front of this area. And everybody knows if you're in the top 3 of this area called the map pack, you will get a lot of calls. And that's without advertising. Last thing I want to talk about are backlinks. And for that, let me take a competitor of yours from here. Let me just choose one. Let's say Bert Roofing. So I'm going to go back to my tool called Ahrefs, and I'm going to analyze their site. A backlink is when a different website links to your website, directing traffic to you. So here we go. Okay. So we can see your competitors have about 2,000 backlinks from 444 domains. This tells me they've been there for a long time. They've been doing a lot of SEO. They're hard to beat, but not impossible. Monthly SEO is what is going to help you. So whoever is doing your website or building your SEO campaign should be going into your competitors and looking at all their backlinks, making sure that you have good backlinks, good links linking to you, relevant ones, and not spammy backlinks. Do that for a few of your competitors, and as I said, it's monthly SEO because if you put everything on at the same time, Google sees that as spammy. So you need monthly, adding backlinks monthly, looking at your competitors, and eventually you will start to beat them for these kind of searches. Therefore, you'll start to get a lot more of this traffic that's going to your competitor. And if you think about it, this is free traffic only because they have a website that's doing well and being recognized by Google. So thank you very much. Again, my name is Charles. If you'd like to talk, please respond to me. I will reach out to you for feedback. Thank you very much. All the best.